Are you already sick of CS2 and you want to go back to playing CSGO? Well, did you know you can actually play Counter-Strike 2 and have it installed alongside of CSGO? So Valve has actually allowed us to access CSGO to watch old demos and things like that, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. And you'll also be able to connect to the community servers that are out there. So if you want to play Surf or Zombie Escape or anything like that, you'll still be able to do it. So the first thing we need to do is go to Steam, just go to your library, and then go down to the Counter-Strike 2 icon. We're going to right click on it and click Properties. Then we go over to the Betas tab, and then Beta Participation. And then we're going to click and go down to the CSGO Demo Viewer 1.38.79. So we click on that, and then we can just close this window, and then you'll see we actually have a 12.5 gigabyte update going, and we'll let that install. And once that's done, I'll show you that we can actually access CSGO. Okay, so now that the download's done, we can actually just go to the Counter-Strike 2 again, and we can just click on play. So we click play and it comes up with this launch option that says either play Counter-Strike 2 or play Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Now just take note, don't click on always use this option, otherwise you'll need to go in to the settings, you'll need to play around with it to figure out how to get this like modal window back up. But yeah, we can just go play Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and we could just play that as if we were playing any other game. Okay, so now we're inside CSGO, you just need to keep a few things in mind. So for example, you can't play matchmaking. You're only going to be able to play on community servers or in offline mode. So for community servers, you'll need to get the IP address for it because the internet browser is just basically full of fake servers. But for example, if you have favorites and then click on add server, and then you can just type in the IP address of the server you want. So for example, our Zombie Escape server is zombies.ghostcap.com. This points to our server IP address, and then just click add this address to favorites, and then you'll be able to connect directly to our Zombie Escape server. So yeah, hopefully this allows you to play. So as you can see here, we got like GFL Surf Timer, like they're still running, they got 15 players. We've got Zombie Escape, it's currently 13 players at the moment, but yeah, if you want to play CSGO, this is how you do it. So come and join us, and we hope to see you in game. Thanks for watching.